Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got an exciting tutorial for you today. If you've ever wanted to create high-quality, professional videos but didn't have the time, budget, or equipment, then HeyGen is the perfect solution for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own avatar video using HeyGen, an incredible AI-powered platform that makes video creation effortless. You don't need any animation or video editing skills. With just a few clicks, you'll have a fully customizable avatar delivering your message in a polished, professional video. Whether you're making content for social media, corporate presentations, or just want to have fun experimenting with AI avatars, this tool has something for everyone. Stick around and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's jump right in and bring your ideas to life. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. You can find the link in the description below. Click Sign In to create your free account using your email or connect with Google or Facebook. After signing up, you'll be taken to the HeyGen dashboard. You'll start with 3 free credit, which allows you to create a 3-minute avatar video. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see several menu options on the left side. To create your avatar video, click on the Create Video or Create Avatar option. You'll then be prompted to choose an avatar from HeyGen's library of pre-designed avatars. They have different styles, genders, and appearances, so pick the one that best fits your needs. Don't worry, you can change the avatar's clothing, background, and other elements later to match your style or branding. After selecting your avatar, the next step is to provide the script for the video. You can either type or paste your own text into the text box. If you need help writing a script, you can use HeyGen Script Generation tool, which creates a script based on your input. Once you've entered your script, you'll see options to adjust the language, tone, and speaking style of the avatar. Now that your script is ready, it's time to customize the look of your avatar video. You can change the avatar's clothing, background, and even choose different animation styles. I want your avatar to deliver the script in a specific tone. Adjust the voice speed, accent, or even select from different voice profiles to make the delivery match your preferences. You can also change the background to fit your message, whether it's a corporate office, a casual setting, or something fun and creative. Once you're happy with the setup, hit the preview button to see how your video will look and sound. If something doesn't seem right, you can go back and make adjustments to the script, voice, or appearance of the avatar. This is your chance to fine-tune things like speech clarity or pacing to ensure it's exactly what you want. When you're satisfied with the preview, click the Submit button. HeyGen will process the video, and in a few minutes, your avatar will be ready. You'll see a progress bar while it's generating. Once complete, you can download the video or share it directly from HeyGen's platform. You can use HeyGen for multiple projects. Need more than the 1-minute free credit? You can either upgrade to a paid plan or earn more credits by referring friends to HeyGen. If you're planning to make videos regularly, HeyGen offers various pricing packages for creators and businesses. And that's how you create a custom avatar video using HeyGen. It's a great tool for making engaging content quickly and easily without the need for a camera or studio. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more AI tips and tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.